A new little tool kit we're going to use to repair a chop saw. And the threads on a DeWalt chop saw. This is the that bevel bolt. The threads are super stripped out on the female end, and the male end's not great, but we cleaned them up a little bit. Some helicoils. All you do is you're going to drill out the female threads, and then you're going to use a tap. This is the size I'm using, M10 1.5. That's going to match this bolt. So now I'm just tapping out these threads, and then we're going to insert one or two of these, and then our threads will be good as new. Alright, I can go a little deeper on those threads. So next we're going to grab a coil. This tab is going in first. Then we're going to use this little T-handle. There's a notch. That's where that tab is going to go. We're going to insert it in here and thread it. I'm going to bottom this one out, and then there's a little punch to break the tab off. And then I just want to make sure I get that tab out. I'm going to try to insert 2 coils in here. Alright, I think that's bottomed out. Zoom in. Oh yeah, nice. So we're going to try to snap that tab off now with the punch. And then I might have enough to insert another coil. Alright, I've got a tiny bit of protrusion. Should be fine because the washer is going to sit on this lip. But there's 2 helicoils in there. We're going to go ahead and thread it, see if we can tighten this thing down. You got some gunked up threads. You can get yourself a little thread comb, and then you find the pitch that it is. This is 1.5. Then you go ahead and just slide it up and down. Clean out all that gunk. And it holds. Nice.